The dark is near.
It's time to dance.